Let's discuss the blockchain technology, what is it and how things work in this. So, blockchain is a decentralized ledger of the whole transactions across a peer-to-peer network. So, using this technology, participants can confirm the transactions without the need for the central certifying authority. So, potential applications include the fund transfers, settling trends, voting, and many other uses. We can say that in the everything, like the blockchain will play a role in the next couple of years because AI is booming, big data is booming, and this is a crucial component, or we can say that it's a main crucial component for them and how the things will work. With the help of the blockchain, we can mitigate the frauds, and apart from that, ensure the transparency in the transactions for the number of years. So how it works, someone requests a transaction first. The requested transaction is broadcast to the P2P network consisting of the computers. It's known as nodes. So these are the nodes for them, and the network of these nodes validate the transactions and the user status using the known as a algorithm. So this is one thing. Then, verified transactions can involve the cryptocurrency, contracts, records, or other informations that are necessary for them to mitigate the risk, and apart from that, to work on the different numbers for them. So, this is one. Then, once verified, the transaction is combined with the other transactions to create a new block of the data to the ledger. So, this is another block, like how to use the blockchain for the effectively use. So, this is something like that, and this is a block that will help to ensure that these are the good blocks, and apart from that, this will help to mitigate the risk for the another sessions for the particular reason that are differentiated for the number of the years. Then the new block is then added to the existing blockchain, and in a way that is permanent and unaltered. So after that, this new block is added to the existing blockchain in a way that is permanent and unaltered, and after that the transaction is complete. So this is one. What are the benefits? Like the cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange that created stores electronically in the blockchain, and using the encryptions techniques to control the creation of the monetary units and to verify the transfer of funds. Bitcoin is the best known example for them. Bitcoin is the to ensure that like everything is aligned with them, and to ensure the things are appropriately managed to get on the track. Then blockchain has the no intrinsic value in that it is not redeemable the phone, other commodities such as gold and something like that. Has no physical form or exist only in the network. Its supply is not determined by the central bank, and the network is completely decentralized. So this is something. Benefits: increased transparency, complex technology, accurate tracking, regulatory implications, permanent ledger, implementation challenges, cost reductions, and the competing platforms. So this is one thing like everyone is working behind them, and apart from that, this is another scenario for the working parameters for the different centric approaches. So what are the potential applications for them? First one is automotive. So consumer could use the blockchain to manage the fractional ownerships in the autonomous cars. So this is one. Another one is the financial services. Fast and cheaper settlement, save the billions of dollars from the transaction cost while improving the transparency. So it's a financial services are there, and faster, cheaper settlement could save the bills and something like that. Voting. Using a blockchain code, constituents should cast the vote using the smartphones, tablet, and computers, and resulting in the immediately verifiable results. So this is something like that. That is another beneficial for them. Another one is a healthcare. Patients' encrypted health informations could be shared with the multiple providers without the risk of privacy of the breach. So blockchain will be the another function, to ensure the privacy of the customer and privacy of patients before going ahead for the another market. So that will be differently for the different one, and apart from that, to mitigate the risk in the different level for the another transactions as well. So this one is the another potential application for the blockchain that will be beneficial for them. It's a time to time for the another scenarios of the market as well. So this is one thing. So this is how the blockchain will work, and this is something about the blockchain we'll discuss later in the next video.